All right, hey guys. So I want to talk about this crystal right here. This crystal is called blue lace agate. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's one of the rare crystals too. It's not as available as say like amethyst, rose quartz, clear quartz, citrine. So this crystal, we get this crystal from Madagascar, and this is a really great grade. This is grade extra. So there's different grades of crystals. Grade B, grade A, grade extra is the best. And as you can see, it has like no blemishes, if you will. So sometimes crystals will have like, like a scratch on it, or like some brown dots, or like some undesirable aesthetics. So this one is really good. And blue lace agate really connects with your energy centers, such as your throat chakra. Now, sometimes I don't like to say chakra just because I feel like, people associate chakra with just, it's too out there, it's too spiritual. So even though we are all spiritual, I had someone say to me the other day when I was doing an event that they're not spiritual. They said, well, I'm not spiritual. And I just thought to myself, everyone is spiritual. You're living on this planet. Everyone is spiritual, whether you want to admit it, whether you want to accept that or not, and really spirituality is subjective. It doesn't have to mean that your idea of spirituality means that you're burning sage every Tuesday at 12 o'clock, or or you have crystals. Like for me with Lifestone, what I really wanted to do is make crystals more acceptable and make them just like you have a flower, like fresh flowers, a plant in your home. You're inviting a beautiful crystal into your home. It's just pieces of the universe. It's nothing to be like afraid of or feel weird about. So when I talk to people about crystals, it's nothing to feel weird about. These are really great for just amplifiers, and each crystal has a different meaning. It has a different a color, a different meaning, a different everything. So these crystals, right, when you use them, it's really important to feel connected to them. And if you like a crystal, that's a really good sign because you're drawn to it. So a lot of people say like, there's so many different crystals to choose from, I don't know which one to choose. Choose the one that you're most drawn to. Choose the one that is most beautiful to you, because that is going to really serve you in the best way. It's simple, guys. Like, don't overthink crystals. But this crystal in particular, I always carry one when I do pop-ups, when I do events, when I do in-person, face-to-face, gatherings, when I'm talking about my product, because this is really great for communication. And it also is really great for like just seeing the bigger picture of things. So I created a soap around this crystal, blue lace agate, and I have it right here for you guys. So it's called Perception, and perception is all about really, it's like that saying, if you change the way you look at things, the things you look at will change. And each of our soaps comes with a different affirmation. The affirmation for perception is is my perception is my reality. Through my perception, I create my world. So this soap is like really amazing. I love obviously all of our soaps, but this scent is like absolutely incredible. It's like a magical scent. It like takes you like to like a higher place in a way, like because it has frankincense and bergamot, and it's like it's very like mysterious. It's not like a classic scent. Resin is frankincense is a tree resin. So this is like, yeah, it's really, really nice. And so this soap is all layered with madder root, indigo root, raw organic cacao, and then it's a classic shea butter soap like all of our soaps. They're really, really moisturizing. The lather is incredible. It's really a really decadent, like luxurious soap. Not to make it sound like a food, but yeah, it really is amazing. And the beauty of our soaps is that you can massage with it. So as you're bathing, right, you can actually grind the stone into your body. And after I work out, I'm sore all over. Like my shoulder hurts, so like just massage that in there. If I do squats, I can, go in my psoas muscle and just get all those knots out there in my hip. So it's really, really great after you work out or just for every day, like if you have lower back pain. Massage is really underrated. So to give yourself a crystal massage and you have that crystal healing, and then you could say your affirmation, my perception is my reality. Through my perception, I create my world. That is, whenever I use that affirmation, it's like a little pick me up. It's realizing that, all right, is my mind programmed from the day before? Am I just thinking things from the past? Am I assuming things right now? Am I just like loading my mind with all these problems that I think are real? And I'm just like, my perception is my reality. If I think I'm gonna have a bad day, I'm gonna draw all of that to me. I'm gonna like have all that negativity attracting in my life. So if I say to myself, today's gonna be a great day, and I'm like shifting my perception, my the way that I see the world, shifting my lens, then like, hey, that's gonna help me. So when using this crystal, make sure you get a really nice high quality grade. All of the ones on lifestoneusa.com are really, really spectacular, and they're all from Madagascar. They're all grade extra, and they come in the soap bar. So once your soap is done, then you have this loose crystal, right? And all of the pieces are one of a kind. So this one is mine, right? But you're gonna have your unique piece, and then you can carry it with you. You can wire wrap it and make like a beautiful necklace. Oh my God, how pretty would that be? It's so pretty. Like, it's really simple to do. You just get a little wire, wrap it around, and then you get like a nice string or a nice chain, whatever you like. It's super simple. Or you could even just like place them in your home. So like every time you see the crystal, you're reminded to do something. It's a good cue, right? So like it's a good trigger. If you have a crystal in your home, give it a job to do to remind you to do something. Because when you can really prompt yourself and give yourself a trigger, it's like if you put a bowl of candy on your counter, right? That's like a trigger to go eat that candy. If you put a bowl of fruit out, that's a trigger to like go make some juice and like have a healthy lifestyle. If you put like your workout clothes out the night before, that's a cue. If you put like, your floss right in front of you, because if things are like out of sight, out of mind, and you're not, you're not taking charge of your environment, then your environment is going to affect your thinking, right? And you have to allow your thinking to affect your environment. So place little affirmations around you, place little crystals around, like crystals, place things around you so you can stay on track with your goals, with your affirmations, with your habits. And little by little that's going to all cause a lot of momentum and change and shift and help you stay on track, because you don't have that temptation, right, to kind of fall back into like your old ways. So that's really how I use crystals. One of the best ways I use crystals, but massage is really great too. Check out my other video. I have a video on how I use crystals and 5 different favorite ways to use crystals, which includes massaging and everything that I'm talking about with affirmations and stuff like that. So yeah, this is gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram, which is at lifestoneusa. And I will put all of this in the description. We have free shipping online for USA orders. There's no minimum at all. So check us out. We have all different kinds of crystal massage soaps that smell amazing. And then we also have beautiful candles, all made with pure essential oils and massage oil. So essential oils and massage oils. It's like really, really amazing stuff. And all of the affirmations come with the packaging. So if you wanted to give it away as a gift, it's really, really personal touch. So until the next time, peace and gratitude. Bye.